Hey guys, so I'm about to braid my hair and I wanted to dedicate a video to these braids, okay, so that you guys will see the steps and how it's done. So help me God. Let me show you the braids I'm using first of all. So for the attachment, I'm mixing two colors. So there's color 4, which looks like this. Color 4 is kind of like a dark brown, and then there's also color 30, okay, but I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when it's mixed. So this is the color combination when it is mixed. This is from the last time I used color 4 and color 30. I mix it together, so I'm going to start from this today, then I'll open the new packs I have. So yeah, this is color 4 and color 30 combo. Can you guys see? So it's not like too bright, but it's also not dark. I love it. So I'm doing the BOHO braids, and then I bought this human hair music cord. Is this one even human hair? Sure, they said it's human hair, but for the price, is hopefully it will turn out nice. I won't tell you guys the brand. If it turns out nice, I'll tell you later before I upload this video. But I bought this from a vendor in Lagos. So this is what it looks like. It actually feels very soft. Like, it feels really soft, hopefully. And the thing about these attachments here is the fact that a lot of people don't maintain it and then it tangles, even though I know some people do. So obviously I was told you have to sprinkle water and put leave-in conditioner, you know, every day, every other day, to maintain the coils so that it doesn't really tangle, even though it's supposed to be tangle free. But just think about it as your own natural hair, it tangles. So yeah, so this is the color 4 and this is color 30. This video is not really like, I don't think this is the real color, but anyways, this is color 4 and this is color 30. So I'm going to be mixing this two. Can you guys see? I feel like it's looking a bit darker than it actually is, just a little bit darker than it actually is. But yeah, I'm going to be mixing this two. This is what I'm going to be using for my BOHO. I got 2 packs of this and 2 packs of this, but I know I won't finish it. I'll probably just use 2 like this. I just bought extra to have. My daughter is also going to be making like a very similar style today. So I'm waiting for my braiders now to get to my house. Once they get to my house, yeah, I'll show you guys the process. Okay, so the braiders are here and we just cut the attachment into 4, cotton 4 and cotton 3 bar. So but cotton 3 is very small, so they're just stretching it. I'm going to show you guys the style. I'm going to put my inspiration video on the screen so that you guys will see the inspiration, and I'm sure that my own is going to come out better than the inspiration. Amen. So yeah, they're just stretching it. Are we going to mix it completely or just let the 2 colors show?
We're mixing it completely.
That is to look like one color?
Yes.
But how will you get the coily part to look like one color?
We'll mix the 2 colors together.
And
We'll take this one and take the 2, blend it together, we'll braid it. Take this other color small, take this other color small, join it together. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let me just let you guys do. I'm sure you can picture how it will come out. I can't really picture it. When these colors are together, like when it's mixed completely together, won't it look like just brown?
No, to give it this look.
Okay, that look.
Yes.
It's okay now, but that's not completely mixed together now. Okay. That's fine. So yeah, this is where we're at right now. I actually cannot wait. What's that?
I said, so this is what we are using. She's laughing.
Okay. Yes, we're using what's it called again? Shine and jam. Tell them.
Jam and shine.
Uh-huh.
We have attachment. And also we have our coily goddess braid.
Yes. Trust me, this is going to be the best goddess braid tip I've ever seen. See the way. See, I have faith, oh. I have faith, oh.
Yes. So.
Don't fall, you know. Content, no easier. See.
This one, they change the platform. When they change, they change the tire.
When you don't see the video now, it will look easy.
You don't notice when the person passed it.
Content creation. It's not easy. But it's the best way for visibility in anything in this life right now. Especially you people that used to do hair. Do you people post any pictures on your Instagram? Do you even have Instagram?
Yes. I don't know what is wrong with it.
Nothing is wrong with it. You are the thing that is wrong with the Instagram. I'm sure you are not the one. You are the one not posting.
I used to post on my TikTok, Facebook, or that Instagram. I used to receive message, but if I want to post something on it, it will not work.
Why?
I don't know.
There must be a fault somewhere. Some people call it goddess braids. I don't know why.
In the initial time,
It was goddess braid.
now they just change it to BOHO braid.
Even name they change. Name they follow trends. Creating content is not easy. Here, trying to create this on YouTube, trying to also create for real. It's crazy, but it is what it is. I love it already. I love these colors that I chose. I feel like black is too boring. Which one is this? My color? It actually looks like my color. Yes, it does. It looks like it. So I'm doing center parts. They just, parted the middle. And also for my braids, for the BOHO part, right? I decided to make it fatter than normal. Like a lot of people I feel online, their own is actually like very thin. And for some reason, I don't like that thin look. And I also feel like the thin look will tangle even more than the fat ones. I feel like this one is going to be easy maintenance more than the thin ones, and I just prefer the look. It kind of looks like waves, like wavy weave on, unlike looking like braids. These strands are quite big. I don't know if you can tell, but they are bigger than your regular tiny ones that I've been seeing online. And we're bringing out like some strands, 2, some 3, I believe. I'm not sure. Some 1, some 2, some 3. At the end of the day, all of them will start join together and just look like one even beautiful hair. I used to add them into video DM because I know how important it is. I cannot just book somebody out of the word of their mouth. I must see. Another person, yes, now I must see the work well. So But you know, some people are not social media people. Maybe because I'm a social media person, so I don't mind. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me tell you, nobody can tell me anything, okay? The way I've been feeling myself, it came out exactly the way I wanted it. Like, I love it so much. So I tried to explain to you guys what I wanted before, but let me just show you now so you see. Basically, yeah, every single strand doesn't get to the end, like none got to the end. If you can see, the end is coily, so you can brush here, you can use your hand and just detangle it really well without having obstructions of like the braid coming down. So that's what I really wanted. And then each strand also has this what's it called, boohoo thing coming out. Some are 2, 3, I can see this one is even 4 or something. Yeah, basically they did it randomly so that all together it looks gorgeous and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, the making of this boohoo braids, because I tried to show as much as I could and I hope you enjoyed it.